Hello, want to do something different. This is a gardening adventure. Want to be able to share and remember what we're learning about gardening. This one is going to start with the planting of potatoes and ending with the harvest of potatoes and showing a few other vegetables that we're growing in our garden. Well, March 2nd. We're at March 2nd. Ooh, the birds are really singing today. And I did plant the potatoes seeds on the 1st, but I forgot to video. So I'm trying to get a video to show them in the box. And also I'm going to take one of them out and put in this container. Don bought this for me. It's a container where you can see the seeds growing. So I planted some that were whole, and I planted some that I cut. And once again, I have this container that you can see through. And I'm going to plant one there. And it's not that big. Done bought this container for me. We'll see what that'll do. Once again, planting the box. And we'll see if we can have some potatoes. I'm going to show you I planted something in the ground in the back, also in the box. This one also has the bottom. The other one won't have the bottom. It'll go straight to the dirt. So in 90 days, let's see what's going to be if we're going to have some red potatoes and some russet potatoes. Good morning. Coming to you to give you an update on the gardening adventure. Onions in this pot doing well. I haven't harvested any of them yet. Just letting them grow right now. And bell peppers in this pot. And I'm happy to report finally it's taken almost a year because this plant I kept it alive, taking it in and out the house, trying to make it go through the winter. We finally got a little bell pepper. So far, so good. I'm just hoping nothing wants to try to eat it. And we got some more flowers about to come, look like, finally. And this is my little project in this little container that Don bought for me that you can see from the side. You're supposed to be able to see the potatoes as they're growing. So we shall see how that turns out. And there's a little one. I just covered it up when I watered. Growing right here. A little one sprouting up. There's a little one right there sprouting up where I covered it up. I watered. Should have took pictures before I watered. And I did add more dirt. When they every when I Google, YouTube says do some piling up around it about every 2-3 weeks. So I did add dirt yesterday. And this one has these growing, but I covered up some more that's coming. So it's about 4 in here that's coming up. I had to repair my box a little bit. The rain made it weak. So hopefully this duct tape will hold up because if from experiencing last year, I'm going to need this whole box full of dirt. So far, so good on these. I'm going to go to now this one, I kept the bottom of the box. The one in the garden in the back, I did not keep the bottom. I'm going to go check on it. Okay, so now I'm in the garden in the backyard. To show you what's left of all these greens, Don is going to clear those 2 beds out. This one bed we've cleared out most of the greens. Now we're going to start on some okra. So I don't know if I said it, but I started the 1st of March. with the potatoes. So this is where we are. And I did add dirt. Look like I need to add more dirt for this big one that's coming up. But this is where we are. And this box, I did not leave a bottom. So I want to see what it's going to produce. So it's going right down into the earth. Okay, and now we're at, okay, we started at the 1st of March, and this is the 28th of March. And like they say, you're supposed to add more dirt, pile up about every 2 to 3 weeks. And we shall see. Now, this one I've covered up a few too. So it's about 4 in this box that's growing also. What? Good morning. Today is April 4th. And want to give you an update and let you see what's going on with the production of vegetables. This one, this potato's not doing much. Not sure what's going on with it in this container. This one has a nice bell pepper. We put some rocks on it because it's sitting right on the dirt. Trying to let it get bigger. Got something eating it. And then over here in the box, I did add hay. I'm just hoping I did some YouTubing, and they told me different things about this hay or straw and chemicals could be in it that could hurt your plant. I just pray it don't do anything. So far, so good. And then I'm gonna go look in the back and see how they are doing soon. Well, first of all, hello again and welcome back. Finally, we're at the point where we can go and see what we have under the dirt and see if we can harvest these potatoes. And it's like a treasure. So I am looking forward to seeing what the treasure is. I'm going to take some pictures so you can see. Okay, so here we are. The potato, the top part of the potato, the part that's supposed to be green, all the leaves pretty much have fallen away, and this is supposed to be the sign that it is ready for harvest. So let's see what is under this dirt, what the treasure will be. So let's see what the treasure will be. Let's see how many potatoes we will harvest. Now, this is the box, and the box is not there anymore, as you can see. It did not make it. I did add some reinforcement around it uh, to keep it like this in a rectangle shape. But let's see how many potatoes we will harvest. Well, this treasure was not a total dud, but oh my goodness, all this beautiful dirt, all these creepy crawlers. So the dirt should have been healthy enough, and all the potatoes we got was here. So it's like one potato for every one of these seed potatoes. Got a bunch of little things still trying to do something, but can't wait for them. The other ones will be bad. So that's what the seed potato look like. And here's a seed potato that didn't even do anything. So this is the ones that were in the box and had a bottom of the box. I got the ones in the back. Let's see what they look like. They went to the earth. Well, this is the morning that I'm gonna come and harvest. Hopefully, some wonderful potatoes. Like I said, it's like a treasure. Trying to see what's under this dirt. So I'm gonna remove all of this, the box and the hay and the dirt, and we're gonna see what's there. I also want to show you what Don is doing. Don is working on okra and cucumbers, and I see flowers, and I see a few okra, so I'm gonna cut those. And we still got a few um mustard greens still coming up. So I might cut some of these too before the bugs get them. Because this time of the year, they got plenty of bugs eating up things. Alrighty, so I'll get back with you when I have the potatoes, hopefully in the container. Okay, I cut some okra. The other ones are still little. But of course, these two right here, they are. Well, yeah, this one's really hard. This one here is hard. This one here is edible, maybe. You can't let them get this long. Some okra, they all three too hard. So maybe we can save them for seed. So we got to start coming out on a more regular basis now that we know that the flowers are turning to okra. Well, that was very disappointing. This is what I got at the bottom. Very disappointing. And it's been over 90 days. And all that green shows that it was still should have produced something. Okay. So I'm gonna go do some more research. And we will try again in the fall. This is June the 11th. Alrighty, so now we're gonna harvest okra hopefully and cucumbers. See a lot of flowers on the cucumbers. I'm gonna go walk over and let you see that too. I, al- I also moved my bell peppers out to sun. I put them on this porch right here. So we should see. And then my onions look like they were burning up. They trying to sprout back out. Hopefully they will do something too. Took them out the direct sun so much. I might take them in and out the sun, but they seem like they were burning up. I got a few that's trying to sprout back. We shall see. Once again, we got all this that looks like we're going to have a lot of cucumbers. All these flowers. All this bush. But so far, no cucumbers. It's a little, hopefully things will change. But anyway, this is what Dawn is working on, cucumbers.
We found this large cucumber hiding under the leaves.
Wow. Right here in the neighborhood.